So here it was, the British consulate had one of the representatives down there looking around. And he was stuff off his jacket quick and his shoes, and then the